Alright, so this is me heading back home after I dropped Rebecca off at work. As you can see, the roads are pretty messed up. Right now I'm on Union, right at Austin Bluffs. And it's horrible out here. Let's take a look at this guy in front of us. Bad weather. Not many other people on the road right now. And this is Union and Academy. Oh, just barely made that one. And the roads are getting pretty messed up, so I'm gonna cut this off. Alright, this is my neighborhood.
Alright, details are on the web, kilo943.com. It's Corvette Snowflake, and with the rest of the headlines, Gary, street choice.
Hey, thanks, Ross. Streets are very slick this morning. Icy and snow-packed roads are providing the challenge in driving to work, and the strong winds making visibility a real problem. After hammering North Colorado, Governor Bill Ritter called for a state of emergency and activated the National Guard. The soldiers are awaiting orders. The Colorado Springs Airport has a few flights that are canceled this morning. The first scheduled flight was American to Dallas-Fort Worth. That's not taking off. Colorado Springs was officially a blizzard yesterday. Visibility of less than a quarter of a mile. Sustained winds of 35 miles per hour. And, of course, snow. And if you think we have it bad, try Fargo, North Dakota. The dike along the Red River is starting to leak. 150 homes have been evacuated. The Red River rose to over 40 feet early today. And it will crest at 43 feet by tomorrow afternoon. Thousands of volunteers are still sandbagging. The mayor is hoping we can save some city-owned structures.
Yeah, it makes our little snowstorm look silly when you see people get lifted up from helicopters out of their homes. Crazy. Yeah, it's somewhere like 11 inches north of Denver, and then the Fort Collins Greeley area, about 14 inches of snow. Wow. And likewise for Monument Hill, if you're trying to travel between the two. Probably not a good idea today. 14 inches of snow at Monument Hill this morning as well. All right, here we go. Kilos, Jock Shorts. Yeah, nice night for a blizzard, huh? You get to watch a little sports as the NCAA fired back up as they eliminate 16 down to 8, and they're halfway there. Top seed Connecticut moves on. They'll take on third seed Missouri as they'll meet on Saturday in the West Regionals as UConn top Purdue on Missouri race past the
Bird Ducks.
102.91. East Regional.
All right.
And third seed Villanova. You kidding me? Going to be meeting in the Big East, all Big East Regional, and the Final Four appearance. The Panthers beat Xavier 60-55. Or Villanova down second seed Duke. The Duke Blue Devils are gone. 77-54 the final there. Tonight the other 8 square off.